Apple's first foldable iPhone is finally taking shape, and this could be Samsung's worst nightmare yet. Apple isn't just dipping a toe into the foldable market. They're entering with three massive upgrades that could embarrass the Galaxy Z Fold 8. With leaks piling up, this phone looks set to launch alongside the iPhone 18 Pro later this year. Why does it matter now? Foldables have been Samsung's domain for years, but Apple's entry could flip the script and redefine what premium foldables can do. Let's start with the battery, where things get really exciting. Reports say Apple's foldable will pack a huge 5,500 mAh battery, the biggest ever in an iPhone, even topping the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Apple usually trails in raw battery size, but their A-series chips and iOS tweaks already squeeze more life out of smaller packs than most Androids. Now, pair that with a bigger battery, expect all-day plus endurance that crushes competitors. Samsung's Z Fold series barely budged battery capacity for 7 years, though rumors point to a 5,000 mAh jump in the Z Fold 8. Now let's talk about thinness and design. Apple aims for just 4.5 millimeters thick when unfolded, slightly thicker than Samsung's thinnest, but that's by choice. They're prioritizing battery over ultra-slim bragging rights, a smart move Samsung overlooked early on. Both are chasing the holy grail, a creaseless screen. Apple and Samsung use water drop hinges that let the display bend gently, not sharply. The Z Fold 8 is going wider to match, so they'll look similar up front. But the real difference hides inside the hinge. Newer leaks reveal Apple steps ahead with liquid metal paired to an upgraded titanium frame. Liquid metal is tougher than standard alloys, more elastic under stress, and resistant to wear. That means your hinge stays tight after years of daily folds, feeling premium forever. Finally, the brains, a rumored A20 Pro chip on TSMC's 2nm process. Expect 15% faster performance and 30% better efficiency. Samsung has the experience edge, no doubt, but Apple's long-term planning, bigger battery, durable hinge, and efficiency wizardry could create the gaps they always do. If these leaks pan out, the Z Fold 8 might struggle to keep up, especially at Apple's premium pricing. That's the foldable iPhone shaping up to challenge Samsung head-on. Hit that like button if you're hyped, subscribe for more smartphone leaks, and drop a comment. Team Apple Fold or Galaxy Z Fold 8? Check the link for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra going beyond iPhones. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.